Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about 4 home remedies for dry and flaky skin in winters. But please first subscribe the channel so that you can get our videos regularly. People who have oily skin cherish winters. However, what about the ones who have extremely dry skin? They hate winters more than anything else. It seems like winter is the major demon to deal with. They have their own share of problems to deal with. Consequently, when you've got dry skin and you fear winters, then here is some part of guidance and some home remedies for your dry skin. 1. Cocoa powder and honey. Take 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and add 2 tablespoons of honey to it. You can also add some avocado glue and maize flour for added benefits. Massage in your body and face wherever your skin is extremely dry. 2. Honey. Honey is an unsurpassed humectant. Apply raw organic honey on your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse your face with normal water. It'll keep your skin hydrated for whole day long. 3. Mix 2 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of orange juice and olive oil. Add some rose water for nature. 4. Mix 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Massage your face with all this oil for few minutes. Now soak a washcloth in warm water and then wipe out the excess oil. Don't wash your face after this. Preferably, do so before going to bed every night. Thanks for watching. We wish best of luck for you. I ask for 3 favors. 1. Subscribe the channel. 2. Like the video. 3. Share with your friends and family.